Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then access it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. In order to resize it, you can hold one of its corners and drag it. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to turn this window into a tiny one, click on Home button. Then to access it, click on Tiny Window. You can also turn it into a bubble by dragging it to one of the smartphone sites. Then to access it, click on this arrow and then the bubble. Lastly, if you wish to close your window, you can do that by swiping it in the background or using X icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!